In the previous episode, the students found that the beanstalk grew by a factor of the sixth root of 3 over each 1/6 of a day. They used this fact to find that the value of the height on day 5/6 was the sixth root of 3 to the fifth. In this episode, Josh and Arobindo continue to explore how the beanstalk is growing between day 0 and day 1. They are told that Jill has measured the height of the beanstalk on day 1/5, and that it is 1.2457. Now, they are asked to find the time when the height of the beanstalk will be 1.2457 to the third. Try this problem on your own before watching the video.
Jill kept collecting data by measuring the height of the beanstalks that triple each day at various times throughout the day. Jill recorded the height of the beanstalk on day 1/5 as 1.2457. Do you think she measured accurately? Why or why not?
You could use a calculator.
And how would you use the calculator?
You would use the equation, like
yeah, it's like basically 1 times
3 to the day.
3 to the day.
Times the starting height.
Times the starting height, which in this case is 1, right? Okay, so it looks like you agree with her measurement, yeah?
Well, yeah, it's pretty accurate.
When do you think the beanstalk will reach a height of 1.2457 cubed? Justify your answer using a timeline.
Okay.
So this is day 0.
I'll write the days, you'll write the numbers.
Okay.
Fair enough.
Okay, this is 1/5. This is 2/5, and this is 3/5. I just did it all the way up to 3/5 because we don't really need to see anymore. So, day 0, the starting height was 1 centimeter. Day 1/5, we got about 1.24. Are we going to do the decimal?
Maybe do it in both ways.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you did it as the exponent this time. Okay, let's just do it as all 3 ways first. Or the 5th root of 3, or about 1.24, what is it?
5.7.
5.7 centimeter. Okay, nice. And 3 to the 2/5, or basically 5th root of 3 squared, or about, should we use the calculator?
Sure.
Okay. Let's just do, oh wait, 3, 2, oh, sorry. 1.5518. Was that it? Yeah, I think that's it.
I think that's it.
Okay, and this is 3 to the 3/5, or the 5th root of 3 cubed, or about calculator. Oh, it's gonna be cubed. 3 1.93318. Oh, 1.93331.
You can just put 1.93.
31.
Okay.
We can definitely see that.
What about, Josh, what about the relationship between this number, this 1.2457, and this number, 1.5518? Is there any relationship between this number and this number?
Yeah. If you multiply this number by itself or this, then it becomes that.
And why is that?
Because every tick mark it multiplies by this.
Yeah,
So then this would.
And we have 2 of them. And Josh, you can continue explaining.
So, and then if you multiply them together, then it's gonna be 3 to the 2/5, which is exactly what that is.
Okay,
And,
great.
Yeah.
In this episode, Josh and Arobindo found that the beanstalk reached a height of 1.2457 to the third centimeters on day 3/5. They confirmed Jill's measurement that the height of the beanstalk on day 1/5 was 1.2457 centimeters by plugging 1/5 into their equation for the height, y equals 3 to the x. This means that the height of the beanstalk increased by a factor of 1.2457 over each 1/5 of a day. This means that it will reach a height of 1.2457 to the third over 3 1/5 of a day, or on day 3/5. In the next episode, Josh and Arobindo will consider their equation 1 times 3 to the x and the potential values they can give for the variable x, which represents the number of days that have passed.